How to log into N8N Cloud? Alright, let's log into N8N Cloud and start automating in just a few clicks. Open your browser and go to app.n8n.cloud or simply visit n8n.io and click sign in. To sign in N8N Cloud, you need to enter your N8N account name, type in your account name and hit sign in, and boom, you are in. Once logging, you will land on your N8N Cloud dashboard. From here, you can create new workflows, manage existing one, or explore templates to get started quickly. If you ever forget your password, just click forget password, enter your email and restart it through the link sent to your inbox. And done. You are officially logged in and ready to automate with N8N Cloud. If this tutorial helped you, smash the like button, drop your question in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick N8N guides. See you in the next one. And thank you for watching.